There are 4 types of giftworks which can be applied to the main scenarios of UX in product design. They are included in 4 folders. Double-click to open the Bootstrap 5 widget library folder. Then double-click on the Bootstrap widget library file. Then choose the location where the library file is located and click OK to add it to Axure libraries. After loading, you can drag and drop Bootstrap 5 widgets onto the canvas. These widgets are organized by category. Under the business card folder, we open the business card file and then go to the admin page. And we can see that the app interfaces are arranged on the canvas. Double-click on the interface to edit its content. Preview the prototype and you can see the generated high-fidelity interactive prototype. Under the UX and Product Tools folder, you can see various tools for UX and product design. We can open the architecture diagram file and see the components of this template as well as the example. You can modify the template to use it. Finally, we open the Icon Sets folder and load an icon set. You can see that the icons are organized by category and you can make them into a widget library or use them directly.